Bienvenidos, padres, and welcome to another school year at Pine Village. We're excited to share with you today important information that you need to know this upcoming 2014-2015 school year. We hope that you'll enjoy the many opportunities available to your children through our nurtured learning approach and find, as we do, that the secret to unlocking your child's true learning potential lies in the opportunities here at Pine Village. It is our mission to educate and nurture each child's individuality within a culturally diverse bilingual community so that every child develops a true passion for learning and an ability to engage in any environment and community. We believe that through play and direct interaction with the community around them, children can and will develop the tools they need to succeed. The first step in allowing children to take advantage of the many hands-on programs offered by Pine Village is to ensure their comfort, safety, and confidentiality at all times. As a reminder, we require all permission slips for this upcoming year to be handed in by the first day of class. We also require all pertinent information to be filed, including immunization and medical forms, allergy forms, emergency contact information, and photo releases. Please also remember that monthly tuition is due by the first of every month and that checks may be mailed or dropped off at school. Payments will remain the same regardless of the child's attendance or family vacations. It is paramount that all families read our policies written in our parent handbook, and remember, they were instituted to serve the best interests of your child. To ensure the safety of every child in our care, we require that you please sign your child in and out every day. Be sure to make contact with the teacher in the morning and afternoon at both drop-off and pickup. Our full day schedule goes from 8 a.m. to 3:30 or 4 p.m., and extended days go to 5:30 p.m. Strong relationships amongst communities, parents, children, and teachers are essential to children's learning experience. Please drop off by 9:15 a.m. to a successful transition into the school day. Please drop off your children with a clean diaper, and we will make sure that your child has a clean diaper at pickup time. At drop-off, remember to leave lunch boxes in cubbies and hang coats and extra clothes on the hooks underneath. If you plan to leave your stroller at school, we ask that you park them in the designated areas. Also, please be mindful of ensuring that all doors are closed when entering and leaving the school. At the end of the day, please arrive at your scheduled pickup time and be mindful that we close at 5:30 p.m. Because many of our teachers are enrolled in continuing education and are required to attend classes after work, we have a fee system in place for late pickups. The fee is $5 for the first 5 minutes, with a charge of $1 per minute after that. If you are late, your fee can be paid in cash to the teacher in charge at time of pickup or the next morning. At Pine Village, we like to make sure that every child starts the day off right, and that means a healthy snack to jumpstart the body and mind. Please remember to bring in a piece of fruit or vegetables to share for the morning snack each day. And if your child is staying for the whole day, don't forget to pack their afternoon snacks as well. Sustaining focus and energy also means enjoying a healthy lunch. Be sure to pack a lunch that's full of delicious yet nutritious treats like eggs, pasta, cheese, yogurt, rice, beans, hummus, pita bread, or dried fruit. We are also fortunate enough to have a relationship with Sprout, an organization that provides families at Pine Village with the option of having nutritious lunches or snacks delivered to the preschool for the children. If you're interested in Sprout and its meal options, please visit its website at www.sprout.com to learn more or to sign up for meal plans. What about birthday treats, you ask? At Pine Village, we believe in a healthy birthday celebration. You may share a special activity, come in for a visit, send in special party hats or plates, provide friendship fruit, or just put a special note in your child's lunchbox. Your teacher will also have a special event planned for the whole class to take part in. Above all, when it comes to food at Pine Village, it is paramount to remember that we are a peanut-safe school. We ask that you please not send in any peanut butter sandwiches, peanuts, or loose nuts for snacks or lunches for the health and safety of those with various peanut allergies. Communication is essential in keeping up with news and activities at Pine Village, which is why we ask that all parents keep up to date on all available information from teachers. Teachers will send home newsletters and calendars in your child's folder or cubby. Please check it daily to ensure you're in the loop. Emails will also be sent out from teachers using Canbu. please be sure that we have a valid frequently checked email for you on file. You can also catch yourself up on activities at drop-off and pick-up check-ins with teachers. Should there be a closing or delay of schools for any reason, Pine Village will adhere to local area schools. Please tune in to WBZ Channel 4, WCVB Channel 5, or WHDH Channel 7 to monitor any school closing or delays. Or tune into WBZ 10:30 a.m., WEEI 8:50 a.m., or WRKO 680 a.m. to listen for further information. For those who want to receive direct smartphone alerts regarding school closing or delays, visit www.thebostonchannel.com and subscribe to their text alert system. While we welcome interaction and exploration here at Pine Village, we ask that children's toys be left at home. We have learned from the past that bringing toys to school to play with is not ideal for the children for many important reasons. Toys can become lost or misplaced, damaged, a source of distraction for other students, or worse, they can be a source of conflict. We do, however, welcome labeled music CDs, books related to monthly themes, and other culturally rich Spanish material. And of course, security blankets and other loveys are always welcomed at school. Teachers will do their very best to inform you if your child needs extra clothes for any reason. We understand that accidents can happen and we try to plan for these instances. However, if you notice us sending home soiled clothes, please provide more clothes as soon as possible. When it comes to naps, we like to make sure that every child has time to themselves to relax and prepare for the second half of the day. EEC requires us to allow children a minimum of 45 minutes of rest time on an individual mat for every 4 hours that children are in our care. Please provide a blanket and a clean sheet for your child's mat at the beginning of each week. Sheets will be sent home to be washed at the end of the week. If your child isn't a napper, please also send along a nap box from home with quiet activities that can be done instead. For any items that are brought to school, we ask that everything please be labeled clearly with your child's name. This includes any spare articles of clothing, lunch boxes, backpacks, sippy cups, and all nap gear. Please also take note that these materials are not to be shared for the health and wellness of kids. Clothing and brushes can facilitate the spread of germs and other pathogens, including head lice. We have a no-knit policy at Pine Village and request that all measures possible are taken to prevent head lice, including storing nap materials in a fabric laundry bag when not in use. We do, however, understand that illnesses can occur throughout the year, especially in those months where influenza and colds are most active. The health and safety of our students is our first concern, so we also ask that children exhibiting clear signs of illness please remain at home until they are symptom-free for 24 hours. Please be sure to call Pine Village and leave a message if your child will not be in school. This helps the teachers to be better prepared for the day and will provide them with insights as to any illnesses that may be present in the classroom. Remember, flu season is upon us, so it's always a good idea to get your yearly flu shot. If your child won't be attending a day for any reason, please call our main office accordingly. We do not offer makeup days or schedule switches. And once your child leaves, their school day is concluded, which is why we recommend that any doctor visits or other appointments are scheduled at the beginning or end of the day. Similarly, if your child has allergies or is taking any medications, please make sure that they remain in the prescribed medical container. Be sure that your child's first name is printed clearly on the container and that all medications are presented to the front office at drop-off. It is also very important that you inform us when medication has been given to the child previous to drop-off. If you have other questions, comments, or concerns about Pine Village policies, please don't hesitate to contact the school at any time via phone or email and we'll be happy to address your inquiry. We also encourage parents to come and visit at any time. Volunteers are always needed and some of our activities include sharing a culture holiday, reading a story, or sharing a talent. Speak with your child's teacher to set up a time. We look forward to all the smiling faces we'll meet this year and can't wait to show your children the power of learning about the world around them. Hasta pronto!